All right, it's Jersey Jaguar, and today I'm going to give you a quick review of this 2023-2024 Los Angeles Lakers LeBron James City Edition authentic version jersey. Now, typically what my review is, I go all in detail, full depth, etc. I'll give you everything you need to know. However, I want to focus only specifically on this jersey style. So things like materials, jock tags, logos, etc. I'm going to save those for those specific videos reviewing authentic jerseys in general. All right, guys, with that said, let's get to it. All right, so for this part of the video, I did swap jerseys so I could hold this one up and explain to you guys better what's on the jersey, obviously for viewing reasons. Let's go ahead and get started. So why is the jersey black? Well, because the Minneapolis Lakers moved to Los Angeles in the 60s, and the black signifies an era of the unknown, meaning they didn't know what was going to become. They were just starting fresh again in a new city. The purple and yellow are obviously their team colors, so they wanted to incorporate that. The front numbers, the rear numbers, and the rear name all come from 1999 to the 2017 season, all right? And the front watermark is also from the 60s. So this, in my opinion, is more of a mixtape jersey, more so than it is a true city edition. Let's go ahead and look at these things up close now. So we're gonna have on the trim, first and foremost, only purple and black. It is a nice shade of purple. It's a hair darker than royal purple, but it is still nice. Then obviously on the front, we are going to have the watermark in yellow outlined in purple, and the numbers obviously here are going to be purple outlined in gold, as well as on the back, and then we are going to have that gold name. So overall, really nice color contrast, guys. On the color wheel, purple and yellow are direct across from each other, so there are contrasting colors, and contrasting colors do work. It is cool to see them use a color that they don't typically have in their rotation for a City Edition jersey. However, though, I think they still could have done something better, but as is, still not bad. We'll get to the final review at the end of the video. So quickly, for the size and the fit of these men's Nike authentic jerseys, I do wear a size 48. I'm a little over 6'2" and about 185 pounds. So pit to pit, meaning across the chest, they are going to be about 22 and a quarter, maybe 22 and a half inches, give or take. And then top to bottom is going to be about 31 and a half inches. So right now I'm going to show you how the jersey fits on me. And at the same time, you'll be able to see how the jersey details look from a 360-degree view. All right, so my final review on this jersey. Overall, I had it ranked number 17 out of all the City Edition jerseys for this season. I think I'm going to move it up to 15 and possibly even 14, knocking the Pacers out. I've seen the Pacers in person. It is cool, but this one just really has a cool early 2000s feel to it. For me, it feels like something I would have wore when I was in high school, so that's kind of cool. Again, the contrasting colors of purple and yellow really do pop on this jersey, and I like how they alternate between the letters and the numbers. And then on the back of the jersey, it's solid. I do just kind of wish that the purple was a little bit brighter, but besides that, not a bad jersey at all, actually. So if we're looking at a number score, I'm going to give this a low of a 7.25 and a high of a 7.5. I know not that much wiggle room right there, is what it is. So I think overall, a very solid jersey, much better in person, and it definitely grew on me. All right, so there you go. Let me know in the comments what you think about this jersey and how you compare it to the other City Edition jerseys from the season. Let me know which of the City Editions you picked up, and let me know your favorite player currently in the NBA. With that said, I'll see you at the next one.